All right, so welcome back. Welcome back to the bonus episode. After we got done with the last, episode 5, production staff and I were talking, and it's like, Rob, you got to do one more. And they were right. I can't tell you how many people sent this one particular recipe to me on Instagram. It has to be at least 10 different people through all the different social medias. And clearly, it's a popular cocktail. Let's go ahead and make the Irish Espresso Martini. Okay, so we're gonna first start, tin that has some big ice cubes in it. Cold brew coffee or espresso. Cold brew might be a little easier to get. If you can chill it off, that'd be a bit better than having it as hot as this one is, but it just literally came off the stove. So that was 1.5 ounces of coffee, 1.5 ounces of an Irish whiskey, and this time I'm using Jameson Triple Triple, but just pick your whiskey. Next, we're going to use 1/4 ounce of Bailey's. If you don't have Bailey's in your liquor cabinet, I question your commitment to things cocktail. 1/4 ounce. Next, we've got a coffee liqueur. This is an interesting one. This is called Lao. It comes from Hawaii. We visited Hawaii very frequently, thankfully, for the family that I have there. We picked this one up, and it's a really darn good coffee liqueur. We're going to use about 1/2 ounce. Lastly, 1/4 ounce or to your taste of simple syrup. Our simple syrup is 1:1. So 1 part sugar, 1 part water in a tin. Let's shake it up. All right. This is also a really pretty cocktail to make. All right, this is a Whiskey Coupe glass, and here we go. There might be enough for 2. Garnish. This is one that you can have a little fun with the garnish. We're going to take a pinch of nutmeg, sprinkle it over the top. 3 coffee beans, because that's for good luck. 1, 2, 3. And then some fresh mint, if you have it, right on the top. About as pretty of a cocktail as you can make. In fact, hang on a minute. We got to take a picture of this bad boy. Thank you much. But now the Irish Espresso Martini. If you don't like that, folks, you really need to just stop, just start drinking, I don't know, Pepsi, Coke, whatever. I'm gonna have to be careful with this one. I can't taste any alcohol in there, and there's plenty, and these things will go down hard. So cheers, stay safe, and enjoy another successful St. Patrick's Day. See you next year, and with some videos in between.